Hey, Jake.
It's been a while, Jake.
This can't. You guys.
You know why we're here, don't you? Of course you do.
I shouldn't be.
Shh. Jake, it's okay. We've all been friends a long time. We know.
Why don't you like Sam anymore, Jake?
You know he still loves her. He has since they were kids. She loves what she thinks he is, not what he actually is. She thinks he's better.
Okay, enough. You two are talking about me like I'm not even here. You think you know about me and my relationship, but you don't. Only I do.
We know she's pregnant.
How?
How can you take care of a kid? Or Sam?
What if it's not yours?
No, you're wrong.
Am I? Think about your relationship with her since you've been out of therapy. Hasn't quite gone back to normal, has it? You know you're not the same and that she's unsatisfied. There are plenty of normal guys out there for her, aren't there?
No. Shut up, shut up, shut up.
Hello, Jake. It's me again. You do remember me, don't you? Why am I here, Jake? Is it because of Sam? You let her in pretty far. Far enough that she's still here, even now. But never all the way in. Jake, this is why I'm here. Someone hasn't been taking their pills. Maybe not the best choice, looking back. Enough with her. That was months ago. She's gone now. And was never even pregnant. Think. Why do you think you're here? In this bathtub. Alone. Unable to move. It's over, Jake. You finally ended it. And now you're free of it all. Sam, me, you're mine.